we go. They at least started doing something again. And of course, lots of people. And a Jeep. I say lots of people, it's only 3 people, but for this road, that's a lot of people to come down the road at once. Especially since they were all going different directions. The Jeep went straight and the red car that came first turned. It should break off of the dirt. You should hit it with the excavator, but the excavator may not be big enough, or I hate to say it's not heavy enough, but it's not the most ideal excavator for what they're doing. I mean, I'm not. Oh, I thought it was gonna fall on the tractor. Not the tractor, but the scoop truck over there, backhoe. I don't know, maybe that backhoe's parked over farther than what I think it is. Must be. See, now he should hit it. What is he? Oh, okay. I wanted to see him tearing down something, but I missed all of that except for the house, and I really hope they don't tear down the house. It's a pretty house. It's an old house too. Neighbor kid must have got a new car. Don't really want to say a kid anymore. He's 16, obviously, because he's driving. But he used to have a yellow Ford pickup truck. What are they doing now? They are looking at the tree. The gray shirt guy that just had his arm up, that we can see the top of his head. He is probably going to cut the tree. He's been walking around with the chainsaw in his hand since I've been here. There's a semi-truck or a dump truck or something coming. If it's a dump truck, I don't know if they're burning all of it. I don't know what it is. It's turning though, so it doesn't matter what it is. It is a tanker truck. There goes the gray shirt guy, being the mountain climber up on the mound of earth attached to the tree. the gray shirt guy said I'll just cut it right here, meaning where his hand is, and that might help a little bit or something like that. He's got the tree cut. It's just like one cut with the chainsaw. There, he's starting up the chainsaw. There's a little firefly landed on my camera. Now it landed on me. Go away, little firefly. Please. There. He's on my chair. I don't care. But not that I care. Oh, there he flew across the street. I don't really care if it's on me, but oh, there's a guy who knows what kind of truck to buy. An old Dodge and an old Chevrolet. Looks like a 60s Chevrolet. 60. I didn't get a good look at the front of it. What happened to the focus on my camera? There it goes. Well, it's breaking off slowly but surely. The tree is. Because I can hear it popping and cracking. Even with the I'm just gonna start calling it a tractor because that's the first thing that comes to mind. It's not really a tractor. It's a excavator. What on earth is he doing? Oh, making sure it doesn't fall on the gray shirted guy, I guess. Hit it hard with the scoop. That's what he should do. Or maybe he's gonna pick it up again. Not the way he picked it up, he's not. There, it broke. Pick it up one more time. Yes, that's what he should do next. There. Broke off. Phil, the guy that used to live here, he cut down one tree, but these guys, which is the same people that own it. I'm talking loud because the excavator was loud for a minute. Here goes another guy. He's either gonna start working on the house, or he's gonna turn around there. Done with the excavator? Yeah.